What is up, my lovely people on the YouTube channel? So in today's video, guys, I would like to draw y'all a cute little starfish. So I've got a list of notes on a lot of things that I would like to make drawing videos of, and I figured I'd take a break from the usual things I was drawing and then just start with these marine life animals or creatures. So from all the characters and all the creatures, certain critters and things of drawing from the sea, I figured this would be a nice little cute fellow to start off a how-to video with. So I think starfish are really cool, and obviously it's because of their shape and the fact that it's like a live version of a star. Because when you think of stars, you just think of the night sky and those big balls of burning gas in the sky. And when you actually think of like an actual star and you see this on the earth, it's kind of cool to know that this is what something living has the shape of something that's from outer space or in our atmosphere. I don't know where I'm going with this topic, but yes, what I was going to say is I think the first time I kind of laughed when I looked or thought about a starfish was when I seen, I think was it Patrick in SpongeBob, and I think it was one of those mornings where my kids were getting ready for school and we had SpongeBob going, and they were like, "Oh, Dad, look at Patrick, and he's a starfish." So that was my first encounter of looking at a cartoon character for starfish. And personally, I think starfishes are a very cute and unique creature that's there in the real world for us to actually see. So I just wanted to do my take on this and give him a nice bright yellow color to make it look like like the sun from above is shining down on him and he's got this yellow tint. And then for these little round circular things that they have underneath them, I don't know if that's some sort of a suction cup or what exactly it is, but when I was looking up a video on how to draw an actual starfish, I was trying to blend the real world starfish with like a cartoony starfish, and then I was just reading up about starfishes. I'm trying to remember what I read now, but just the fact that they're such unique creatures that share the earth with us, and with these videos, when I think of what things I'm going to draw, obviously I look up on YouTube and see what is out there. And I think when it comes to at least this channel and how to draw, there's so many ideas you can possibly think of. If you can think of something, all you got to do is slap the word how to draw in front of that, and boom, you have a topic to draw with. So this is what was I going to say? That is another thing, I kind of lose my train of thought when I'm talking to you guys, as I said in my earlier videos. So yeah, the good old starfish. So I've been looking at my analytics, and I don't know, I hope people are getting value from this and kind of enjoying the drawings. And I'm really starting to wonder now if people are not watching because of this being a voiceover. And unfortunately, guys, as I said, because of the construction going on at where I'm at, it's just physically impossible to make a real time video with me instructing or talking to you guys about what I'm actually doing, So this is by far the best I can do. Hopefully the construction ends before the end of this year, because I don't think it's going to be something that long, but I'm hoping that it will end in time, and then I'll be able to maybe resume the videos back to where I could just talk to y'all while I'm drawing and be able to get back to the swing of things. But for now, if this is not turning out the way you're expecting, I mean, this is the best I can do. I mean, like, I'm just trying to make it as instructional as best as I can. And as I said, in the earlier video, I didn't really go ahead and speed these up too much. It's just maybe a little bit from the actual normal speed of what it does record at. So yeah, and even the coloring part, actually, now in these past two videos, I've just been coloring in real time, not doing a time lapse. And the coloring part is just something, I mean, y'all can follow along, and y'all can even do your own version of the coloring. So yeah, with that being said, guys, thanks for following along and drawing, and I hope y'all still do follow along and draw for the other videos. So till then, have a good one, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye for now.